Imagine being able to automate your entire affiliate marketing business, generate traffic, write social media posts, landing pages, and email sequences, all without spending hours in front of your computer. Think about it for a second. How much time do you currently spend creating content, writing emails, or figuring out what to post on social media? Hours, right? Days even. Well, today I'm going to give you the full, honest review of the AI affiliate marketing course, how it can completely transform your business, and the exclusive bonuses you can grab if you act now. Make sure you watch until the very end, because I'll tell you exactly how this course works, how it can save you so much time, and how you can get it at a limited time price to start automating your affiliate income today. Hi, I review the latest digital marketing and affiliate tools that help entrepreneurs like you save time, scale faster, and make more money online. In this video, we'll cover exactly what the AI affiliate marketing course is, how it works, who it's for and why it's so revolutionary, the exclusive bonuses and special launch pricing, and my honest pros, cons, and verdict. By the end of this video, you'll know if this course is right for you and how it can take your affiliate business to the next level. Let's be real for a moment. Most affiliate marketers struggle with creating content, writing landing pages, posting on social media consistently, and running email campaigns manually. It's exhausting, time-consuming, and often leaves you frustrated. You've probably tried expensive tools or spent hours trying to figure it all out, only to see not so great results. That's why so many marketers are talking about the AI affiliate marketing course. It shows you how to harness AI to create content, build campaigns, and automate repetitive tasks so you can actually focus on growing your business instead of spending all your time on tedious work. The AI affiliate marketing course is a 6-video series designed to help you leverage AI for affiliate marketing success. Inside, you can learn to write landing page copy effortlessly, even if you've never done it before. Generate SEO-friendly content in minutes, so search engines love your pages. Create video scripts for marketing without staring at a blank screen. Automate entire email series to nurture leads automatically. Produce social media content that actually engages your audience. And take the next steps to AI-powered affiliate growth. Each video is valued at $297, which brings the total value to $1,782. But the launch price is just $97, and this is only for a limited time. Let me give you some examples. You'll see landing page copy generated by AI that looks professional and converts. You'll see social media content prompts that save hours of brainstorming. You'll even see snippets of video scripts you can use immediately to create powerful content. When you buy this course, you'll also get exclusive bonuses, including a step-by-step AI marketing blueprint, done-for-you social media templates ready to post, private community access for ongoing support and tips. These bonuses are only available for a limited number of spots, and once the launch closes, they disappear. So if you want them, you need to act now. The course has several major advantages. No prior experience is required. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some marketing experience, you can follow along. It automates tedious marketing tasks, saves you massive amounts of time, boosts your traffic, and increases your commissions. And the best part? You get lifetime access to all the course content. Of course, some beginners may need a little time to adapt to AI tools, and the bonus spots are limited, so it's important to act quickly. If you want to scale your affiliate business, save time, and leverage AI without the steep learning curve, this course is perfect. Beginners and experienced marketers alike can benefit. Click the link in the description below to secure your access to the AI affiliate marketing course and grab all the exclusive bonuses. Remember, this offer is only available during the launch period and spots are limited. Don't wait. Start automating your affiliate business today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming review videos. Also, let me know in the comments if you're planning to get the course or if you've already started using AI for your marketing. I'd love to hear your experience and answer any questions you have.